So not only are regulations complex and regulators are pushing for accelerating clinical trial execution. We see this, for example, with the Accelerating Clinical Trials Initiative in EU, also referred to as the ACT EU. This is an initiative jointly by the European Commission, the European Medicines Agency, and the Heads of Medicines Agency. One of the goals of this initiative is that 2/3 of clinical trials will start to recruit patients in under 200 days of the clinical trial submission. Today, only 50% of trials obtain this goal. Many trial sponsors are not set up to accelerate their labeling operations because they suffer from fragmented workflows and inefficient labeling execution. So at Lionbridge, we believe that the solution to these challenges is a mature clinical labeling model and language excellence.